G'day, this is Simon and James at South OC Cars and Coffee. Hey, what a great morning.
It's a little slower today, it's nice.
It is nice.
Relaxed.
Not as crazy, I mean, we say it's slow, the parking lot's still full, and there's some pretty cool stuff, but it's not the pandemonium it was a couple of weeks ago, or even last week, which is really, really good. Hey, if you saw our live feeds last night, you'll see that we're making a big deal about please make sure that when you leave quietly and slowly. We don't want to upset the neighbours. There's a whole lot of stuff the city's doing for us to try and help control that, so please do your part. Make sure you drive slowly when you leave. Let's talk about cars. What have you seen that sort of catches your eye?
The new AMG GT Black Series over in the corner was really nice. I've yet to see one of those in person. It's in this kind of glossy orange color. It's really, really
saw
nice.
that.
It's a really nice spec, yeah.
Well, the best people drive orange cars, looking over our shoulder.
Right.
Yeah, I saw that. That's a real eye-catching car. And there's some other cool stuff. There's a really classic original old Porsche I saw come in, which is really nice, and a 56 Chevy original colour in this sort of yellowish lime colour and black with the same colour interior. It came from the factory like that, which is cool as well.
Awesome.
So, hey, that's it. Let's go for a walk and check it out. This is the AMG that James was talking about. What an imposing looking car. Love the colour on it, but as we said, I am a little bit biased towards orange, but look at that carbon fibre work on the hood, on the roof, down the side. This is a really, really nice looking car. You know, I've never been the biggest fan of a lot of these AMGs. To me, the proportions have always just got a little bit out, but this is absolutely magnificent. Every part about it. Carbon fibre in the back, GT Black Series. It's just, from every angle, this thing is absolutely beautiful. How great does this old Defender look? Back in the days when they were absolutely purpose-built for off-roading, of course used by the military in so many countries around the world, and that's one of the reasons they continue to make them for as many years as they did, with changing as little, is because so many of the military groups around the world had so many spare parts for these things. It kind of locked Land Rover in supplying vehicles for a lot of years. Great looking off-roader. Great colour. You know, I don't mind the new one, but I think they missed the mark. They're not like this. I think they could have done a lot better to make it retro. If you've seen the new Bronco Sport, I think it is, that's a great example of what they could have done if they put their mind to it. Very nice looking International Scout here. Great colour, method wheels on it. Kind of a resto mod, modern interior. Still has drum brakes on the back, I think, but there's nothing wrong with those in these type of applications. That's a great looking Scout. Can't walk past this thing without looking at it and talking about it. Look at the colour on it, magnificent. Metal flake, beautiful metallic red. Very, very nice. And that injected motor in there, looking good. So I can't go past this thing without stopping and talking about it. This was brought here today by Pete, one of my best friends. It belongs to his dad, Bert. This car is absolutely magnificent, this GTO. I've actually been fortunate enough to drive this thing and absolutely love it. I love this car, I love the colour. Bert had a GTO in his younger years and so wanted to obviously relive that memory, so he built this thing up. It is a magnificent car, very, very neat. Everything about this thing is really, really nice. Great looking 68 Charger here, RT. Look at the hidden headlights there. This is a really nice looking car. It's even got the original decal on the side. All original. I guess that's the original colour. I'd suggest looking at it. It's not the original paintwork, obviously, but still really nice to see. There's a row of great looking Mopars through here. Look at this one next door, and then over here we've got this Challenger RT, and then down over here this really nice 67 Charger. Really interesting body style, this one. It was a lot different from the later ones, but I kind of like it because it's quite unusual. You don't see many of them around. So much room in the back of the thing. Gentleman just said he's selling it for $40,000. Great looking car. Get those hidden headlights again. that is it for another week at South OC Cars and Coffee. Great turnout, some really great cars, some really interesting stuff along the way. I think I'm going to go and make that classic old Porsche that I walked past earlier car of the week. A big thank you to all our sponsors, to Maguire's, Polestar, Share, Next Level Detailing, Next Level Mobile Detailing, Team Road to Safety, Classic Industries, and Pacific Air Cool. Thank you so much. We couldn't do this without you. A big thank you, of course, also the City of San Clemente and Outlets of San Clemente for all of your support. We really appreciate it. Make sure to get in and support those stores at the outlets, particularly Starbucks, Ruby's and Rockwell's, for everything that those guys do every Saturday morning. Biggest of big thank yous to all of our volunteers. We really appreciate it. If you want to become a volunteer, make sure to go and see Sarah at the merch table or send us a message through Instagram, Facebook, or our website. Hey, don't forget, we've got that great range of new apparel. You can also follow our Instagram page, South OC Cars and Coffee Merch. So get onto that and follow that as well as subscribing to our YouTube channel as well. That's it. Have a great week. See you back here next week for another South OC Cars and Coffee.